Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So this week in the news, your network router is an easy target for cyber criminals who are looking for a way to breach home networks. It is very important that you have an up-to-date router nowadays with up-to-date firmware. If your router is more than 2 or 3 years old, we suggest replacing it with a more modern appliance. Following the rise in cybersecurity incidents due to the vulnerable routers, the Singapore government has published a list of new security protocols for home routers. The new mandate will come into action from April 13, 2021. The enhanced requirements include unique login credentials for each device, minimum password strength, disabling of system services, and download of firmware updates. Also, according to the FTC, over $4 million has been lost due to COVID-19 related fraud against the North Carolina residents. Because of this rise, North Carolina has launched a new 211 subscriber hotline. The U.S. Government Accountability Office, or GAO, called out the Federal Aviation Administration to take action to protect modern commercial airplanes from cyber attack. The agency warned that if avionics systems are not properly protected, they could be at a risk of a variety of cyber threats. The Government Accounting Office has therefore let out a 6-piece cybersecurity recommendation. Stay safe and have a great week.